Hi everyone, how are we all doing? I'm fine and I hope that you that is watching this video that you are fine. Okay, so today is my off and I just woke up and I decided to clean my house. While cleaning my house, let me reflect on myself, let me meditate. So that's just it. And bam, I just started working. I started from my bedroom. I arranged my wrapper, also my roommate's wrapper. I started sweeping. Like, man, I ransacked every nook and corner. I just ransacked everywhere. I swept everywhere. And then I headed to the kitchen. That's where the whole thing is. Although it's not dirty because I don't like a dirty environment. But I know that, yeah, I cleaned every nook and corner. I also had to, scrub the walls. I tried to do sha. After I made sure that the kitchen is clean and neat and well arranged, I went straight to the bathroom. But before that, let me just see people. I started acting recently. There is one movie that is called Run With Me by Zaki. I'll tag him in this post. The movie, it teared me up. It teared me up, and also it made me realize that acting is not just a small something that you are acting different characters, where you are crying, where you are doing this, when all one person. So all actors and actresses out there, kudos to you, and also all the singers out there, kudos to you. All the people that are in entertainment industry, all kudos to you. So yeah, of course, let me head to the bathroom. I head to the bathroom and yeah, of course I scrubbed, I washed. Don't mind this bathroom. I've been washing this bathroom like no man business, but the stain doesn't want to remove. I don't know what the problem is, but maybe I'll just find a chemical and just pour on it so that it will whiten up. So yeah, of course, that is just it though. That's how far we've come. And please, if you have not followed my music page, kindly do so. And let's grow on this together. Let's join me on my journey because I know it's going to be very beautiful. It's going to be a very beautiful journey. So don't miss out on it. Alright, so let me play this beat so that you just listen to it and enjoy. I just had to stop and go to the kitchen to dish out food because I was very hungry. At this point, my leg was shaking. My eye was blurring. Hunger no be small something though. So I just had to finish eating and go back to what doing the remaining house chores. So I just came outside though. I not even look at the sky, just that I recorded this video and I'm just looking, like I'm just watching it and was like, Jesus, like the sky is so beautiful, like God did great too. I love nature, like I love nature. The universe is very beautiful. Anyways, I was done with everything that I was doing. I not even wash my own clothes. I just have to wash the pillow and the rest. I said, let me just eat fruit and also to take my herbs because health is wealth. So the herbs is very bitter, but I just have to take it because I want to be healthy. That just is so. You can even see my facial expression is very bad. I even have to cut some of this video. It's well. So that just it. Please guys, we are just beginning. It's just my humble beginning. Please like this my video. Comment on it. Okay? See you guys again in my video anytime soon. I love you guys so much. Like showing me love. So that's it. Bye.